So, Sammy, shall we go to sleep?
No.
No?
No! I'll be awake forever.
But you can't. And why? You like sleeping, right? Oh, what's the matter?
Well, I've been having nightmares lately. I'm afraid to go to sleep.
Now I see. What to do?
I was going to stay awake all night, watch the stars, and make a wish never to have nightmares again.
Watch the stars. Watch the stars. Oh, I know! I'll make you a magic nightlight to protect you from nightmares.
Nightlight? I'm not sure that it's better than stars, but it's worth a try.
Hi guys! I'll make a star nightlight for Sam to help him sleep. Do you have nightlights? Write in the comments.
I don't believe in this lamp of yours. What's so special about it?
Well, the main thing is that it will be made with love and care, and they do real wonders.
With love and care? This makes sense. Yes.
I will also need this jar, a piece of paper, a pencil, some paint, a sponge, and scissors.
Fairy lights!
Sure thing. Oh, but they got a bit tangled.
Let me untangle them! I'm a great untangler!
Are you sure you're not a great tangler? Well, give it a try.
I'll prove it. And if I win, you'll give me a candy.
Deal. Right. While Sammy is untangling the lights for our bet, I'll make a pattern for our lamp. I'll take a piece of paper and draw some stars with the help of this template. There. I'll need several stars to make the lamp really pretty, but not too many. And there. That should be enough. Oh, I think this looks so lovely. Now, we'll take the scissors and cut out the stars.
Hey, Sue. Which stars wear sunglasses? Movie stars!
Sam, this joke is ancient.
So what? It's still funny.
Wait, have you untangled the lights?
Almost. Just a moment.
Go on, or the candy will run away without you. Right, this is what I have now. So I'll need to stick the stars onto our jar. Carefully now, no wrinkles. There. And now, some more. And one more. There. So pretty. Now, we'll paint the jar blue. I'll use this sponge brush to do it. And there, and here. We need to make sure we cover the entire surface. So pretty! Now let's add some glitter! Wow, it looks like a starry sky.
Listen, maybe forget about the lamp.
Right. Oh.
Yep, now I'm like this lamp myself.
No, Sam, this won't do. Let me take the lights off you and finish the lamp.
All right, if you need it for the process.
I do! I'll put the lights inside and put the lid on. Hey, Sammy, turn the lights off.
Like a real starry sky. So beautiful. It's simply mesmerizing.
Ooh.
Sue, you're a real miracle worker. Wow. I won't be afraid to sleep in this light now.
Guys, do you like this nightlight? If you make something like this, send Sammy and me some photos or videos of your creations. It'll make our day.
Yes! We'll be waiting. And if you liked today's video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to know about my new adventures. Bye!